The ROG Strix Scope is the keyboard for any FPS player. Its built-in features have been designed to give you a competitive edge in-game. It features a 1000 Hz polling rate and end key rollover, so no matter how many keys are pressed at once or how fast you press them, every input is registered in-game every time. We gave special attention to the control key when we designed this keyboard. It's the key that helps keep you alive in-game, ducking you behind cover, or steadying your hand so you can get that game-winning shot. So we've doubled the size of the left control key so it's easier to reach when you're in the heat of battle. It also has enhanced stabilization, much like the spacebar, so it gives you a more accurate and consistent feel. The function lock key helps to maximize utility by allowing you to quickly toggle between the function keys and media control keys. We've also implemented a stealth key. With function lock enabled, one push of the F12 key will mute all audio and minimize all applications running, just in case you're trying to get in some Counter-Strike practice at work. The onboard memory allows you to save up to 5 custom profiles, as well as a default profile. The scope is available with a variety of Cherry MX switches. There's red, brown, blue, black, speed silver, and silent red. Now speaking of color options, the scope has per-key RGB LED backlighting, and with the Armory 2 software, you can customize the color and lighting pattern, as well as sync it with any of your other AuraSync-enabled components. Even with the lights off, the scope still has plenty of style. The dual textured case has a brushed aluminum top plate and even comes with additional silver WASD keys and a key puller for easy customization. Underneath the keyboard, we've continued the dual textured design, and we've also added a channel for cable management to help keep your desktop clean. If you have any questions or comments about the ROG Strix Scope, please reach out to us on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.